Hey everyone, we're going to do the lemon fire starter experiment today. What we have is lemon, we have the galvanized nails, which will be our zinc, and we have these copper nails as well, as far as steel wool, some connecting wires, copper wires, and also some other rubberized wire. We're going to start off by placing the nails about 6 apiece, about a centimeter apart. And we're going to continue to do that. After that, we're going to take these wire pieces and we're going to wrap them around one. See, our lemon needed a little bit more malleable of a metal to connect all the different ones, the zinc and the copper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these wires, put one end on this side on this end, there, like that. That doesn't quite stay. And then on the zinc side, this end, wrap that around like so. We should some type of reaction. Okay, we're going to discuss why it did not work. A couple of things that need to be known is that there have been a lot of other videos trying to replicate this, and it hasn't gone so well. As far as a small LED light, it's just a simple diode that can be triggered, and that's usually the battery experiment utilizing lemons or other fruits, citruses in particularly. And it only produces about 1 milliamp and about 0.7 volts, which really isn't enough to get the fire starting mechanism going. You really need to quickly bring together something that would be maybe like a 9-volt battery quickly through those wires, which the lemon is just not able to. It just doesn't have the capability. And most likely there was some other things going on behind the camera, well edited versions of this. The only other ones that I saw that were successful were not as slick and not as smooth. I saw a couple of them with sparks and like arcs in between. You're not going to create arc of electricity between the two wires with a lemon unless it's very small and you have the lights off and you're looking at it with special equipment or something along those lines, but you're just not going to get that kind of reaction. But there is an electric reaction going on, and the zinc metal is more readily oxidized than the copper. So so what will react is the zinc, the two zinc positive ions. They will release the two electrons into the wire, and the copper wire will react with the citrus in the lemon to form the aqueous copper 2 ions, which will gain the two electrons by the zinc to reform solid copper. This flow of electrons creates current,